Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to getting weather, but not demo. It is a full video, step by step guide. Okay, you are ready and I will make it. Okay, what we need to creating all things again, and the first thing we need is weather. To no. What we need on from submission. Okay, for add your country. Okay, what we need in the title, we adding weather, city, selector. Okay, in the description we adding choose a city from the drop. Okay, drop down to get it weather report. Okay, we are creating titles and description. Okay, in this element we need to add the cities. Okay, select a country. Okay, what we need in this, we need to add drop list. Okay, in this we adding the countries and everything. Okay, in this we adding London, Paris, and New York. Okay, and the last one is your Tokyo. No, Tokyo. Okay, your first submission was ready, and what we need to add a switch button to switch all the things to get another data. When I choose London, and it's give me the data of London, and when I choose Paris, it's give me to Paris data, and when I choose New York, it's give me the New York. Okay, we add switch. In the switch we adding the things what we need. Okay, first we need to execute the old workflow. Okay, in this we are choosing Paris, and here we go. Okay, in the value 1 we need to add select a city, drag and drop it, and we need 4 things like this. Okay, you have okay in the from submission you have how many options. I like to 4 option, and I added the 4 option in the switch button. You have 5 6, you add it. Okay, we need to drag and drop it again. Okay, in the all the areas. Okay, it's done, and we need to add the names. Okay, London. In the equals to we don't need to change it, and Paris, London, no, New York, and the last thing is your Tokyo. Okay, we need to see, and here we go. I have all the 4 the option we need to connect. Okay, how to connect it? We need a edit field to connect it. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to add all the things in the 4 item you have. I need to. Okay, we need to copy and paste it. We need to assemble it, connect, connect, and connect. Okay, it's connected, and we need to add the name London, Paris, and New York. And the last one is your Tokyo. Hmm. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, we added all the things. Okay, in the London, we need to add the data. Okay, and we need to add your let. And in this, we need to add 1.5072. You can get to the ChatGPT and your models in the London. And okay, in this we need to add minus 0.1276. Okay, and what we need to activate this in the Paris. We did the let again. Okay, we added the numbers. Okay, it is the numbers you can get screenshot and you can ask from the ChatGPT to give that. Okay, in the neuro we using same. Okay, um okay, wait a second. Okay, what we need to add this. Oh, no. Okay, we added, and also we need to activate this, and we need to add an attack Tokyo. Okay, in the Tokyo we need to choose same value. Okay, here we go. We added all the things. We need to activate this. Okay, we added all the things and we need to test it. It is properly working. Okay, in the we choose neuro. Submit it. Okay, it's not giving to the edit field. We need to add margin. And we choose 4. We have. And we need to delete this. And we need to attach it again. Oh, no. Okay, we edit and okay, we need to choose HTTP request. Okay, in the HTTP request we edit this thing. It is too long. You can get the screenshot. Okay. Oh, it is working and we need to start it again. First we need to add code. In the code we added my code I have already. You can ask the ChatGPT, it is create you, and here we go. I have the data. Okay. Okay, in the send message, we need to add Gmail to send the Gmail. Send the message, and we need to add my Gmail. And in the subject, we are adding the weather report. And in the message, we are adding this thing. And the email type was and type HTML, and here we go. Okay, what we need to go back and we need to execute it. First we need to stop it and we need to start it. Okay, it's properly working. Okay, and we need to see. Okay, it is giving me this wrong, and we need to see. I have mega need to see HTTP request. All the things were good. We are making mistake in the code. Okay. Okay, it's giving me wrong. Okay, we are mistaking in the string button. We need to see the read fields. We need to see in the settings. Okay, all the things was properly working, but okay, we need to execute it. It is properly working. First, we need to add ChatGPT to create the image. To need an image, and we need to add all the things. Okay, temperature was added and humidity was heading rain, shower, snowfall, cloud cover, pressure, wind direction. Yes. Okay, we added, and in the this we adding we need image on it. Okay, we are starting, and okay, and we need to delete this and delete also this. You can connect like this and add a Gmail and attach a attachment, and it is create your image. And what we need to attach this and execute it. Take some time, and it's create your image. And you can connect this and also add the Gmail to send an attachment. It's give you also the Gmail and also the image in the Gmail. Okay, it's starting, and the one item was here. We need to see. Okay, here we go. It's giving me the perfect idea. Okay, and we need to see it's giving me the best. Okay, don't add same things in image. Okay, we need to start it again. It's take time. Okay, it's working. It is it is creating, and you can like and subscribe my channel. Okay, it's take too much time. Okay, we need to see. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's creating the best, and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.